In this video guide, I will provide you with help to remove the browser notifications associated with the site Ringtgandmotiv.xyz. Ringtgandmotiv.xyz. It's a website that tries to trick people into subscribing to its multiple web push notifications. It says that you need to click on the special Allow button integrated into it, but clicking on the Allow button in fact immediately hijacks the browser. People may be brought to some other malicious sites, and after the Allow button is clicked, they may start facing the great number of junk advertisements displayed in the right bottom part of the screen. So how to deactivate these ads? Access the menu of your Google Chrome or other browser. And now you see some of these ads already disturbing your attention. So go to the menu, go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and research all the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this malicious site, remove it from the list. And as you can clearly see, after we removed it from the list, all these ads are now gone. To make sure that your computer is free of any other hidden threats or infections like malware or adware, I recommend scanning your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. Of course, you may visually research the control panel and look for the suspicious programs. If you find them, uninstall them. But sometimes it may happen that visually the system is free of threats, but still there may be some hidden or concealed malware running in the background, and the system may function in a slow manner. Combo Cleaner in this case will help you very well to detect any hidden threats and to remove them effectively. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experience with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.